All right, guys, our last video, Unit 7 and 8, we have lots of great adverbs and transition words for you to learn, but I'm not going to make a video because it's very similar to what we did back in our first Units 1 through 4. So today I'm just going to be talking about some common expressions in Unit 7. These are actually noun phrases and different expressions that show similarity. So we did the one about differences back in Unit 5. Now today we're talking about similarity, and they're very similar. The first one that we're going to talk about is to be similar to. This is almost a verb phrase. We have to remember all the parts. I am similar to, okay? We cannot say similar from, similar in, okay? I am similar to, all right? So this is our first phrase. I am similar to what? We're comparing items, two items. My sister, in many ways. Okay? I'm similar to her. You are similar to your friend. Maybe your mom is similar to her, your dad. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one we're talking about is similar to what we did with differences between, but now we have the similarities between. Now you'll notice it is plural. We're talking about maybe more than one similarity, and we get to use the same preposition between. Okay, and we can say phrases like, there are many, it's countable, many similarities between. Now this is a preposition, so it's going to be an object. You can see between us, right? Between them and me, okay, between my sister and me. Whatever you want to say, we're going to use the object preposition. And you can also say the two things, between my sister and me, between Michigan and Florida, all right? We also have a couple of transition words. I'm going to call these our TWs, transition words. And these are similarly, comma, and likewise, comma. Remember, it's transition word. Can think about it with the comma. It can at the beginning, before a sentence. It can come between two sentences with a semicolon. Okay, it's a transition word. Now, similar to these guys, and what we learned back in Unit 5, we also have an adjective, which is like. Like is an adjective. Like, in this case, comes before a noun that it's describing. Like my sister, comma, okay, like my sister, comma, I have brown hair. So my sister and I do have brown hair. Okay, like my sister, I have brown hair. Like comes before a noun. It can also come at the end. I have brown hair like my sister. That's fine too. But do not use like by itself, and do not ever, ever, ever put a comma after like. No, we never say like. We always follow it by a noun. Like plus a noun. Like her, like Michigan, like grammar class. And then we tell what is similar. Okay, so please go over those. These are on page 107 to 108. 107 to 108. You'll need to know these, use them in your essay, and the transition words and adverbs that we're learning in class, unless we really need to, I don't think I'll make a video for those. So please come to class, please study those transition words. All right, thanks.